Right guys, welcome back to another student coin video. As always, before I start, thank you once again for the wonderful support you guys have been showing me. I really do appreciate it. I like all the input that you guys have been giving, especially in the comment section. Please do keep it up. It really helps me with adding a bit of content for you guys. Maybe sometimes I miss things. Thank you so much for you guys putting a lot of input into the video. For those of you that have subscribed, I really do appreciate it. On the grind, if you want to call it that, to 1,000 subscribers. So I'm about 30% of the way there. So please, majority of you have not subscribed. Please do subscribe. It really does help the channel out a lot, and it helps us get the word of Student Coin out there. So on the let me just get this page out the way. On the Student Coin website. Excuse me. I can put these back. I had my login details on there. My apologies. So I'm on the Student Coin website, and first off, the price has seen quite a nice bit of a rally. The 13.5%, yeah, it's all relative, but it's back up to about over the 3 cents mark. It did dip down quite a bit. There could be a number of reasons for that. Probably a lot of people trying to dump the price before it lists so they can get in on the cheap or the relative cheap side. Most likely people haven't gotten into the ICO stage, but there could be any number of reasons for that. But there's been quite a bit of volume again on these trades, which to me indicates that that's the reason. I see now it's powered by CoinMarketCap, so no longer Coin Paprika, and maybe that's a bit of foreshadowing that it's going to be listed soon. I hope so. There have been some actual listings, but I'm hoping CoinMarketCap, Coinbase, and Binance in the future. That would be fantastic. So on to the first bit of news. So first off, there's a new listing coming soon. It's confirmed. So Student Coin will be listed on ACDX. ACDX is a derivatives trading platform that focuses on innovation across spot, Delta One, and structured trading products. So the date will be listed soon. So keep an eye out for that in the news. Then onto some other news. Staking has gone live. So, okay, I've explained staking in the last one of my last videos, but basically the process here, which I'll show you in a second, I've actually already done the staking bit earlier today. I didn't really want to miss out, and I wanted to get this video to you guys as well, but I wasn't able to make it early in the day. So I've already gone through the process, but I'll be showing you that in a second. Essentially, you've got three options: 30 days, 90 days, 180 days. So 1, 3, and 6 months. Okay, and you can get up to 13% annual percentage yield. So if you stake it, well, okay, I'll get to that in a second. And then you can mine 10 additional STC-based tokens and participate in the pools. So those of you guys that were on the wallet might not have known where to get staking. So if you click this link, you'll get to the staking page. Why is it not there? There it is. So basically, all you do, I see there's already 1.4 billion. I think it's 1.4 billion STC has already been staked. And what they give you essentially is three options. So, like I said, 30 days, you get 2 airdrop tokens. 12 airdrop tokens or 6 airdrop tokens. So I chose the 180-day option. It's long term. It's up to 13%. However, so you'll go and type in your amount here. So if you want to have whatever you want to stake. I staked about 78% of my coins. And I've kept in about 22% of the coins. So that's all you do. You go there and you stake. Now, this staking process, just to let you guys know, you're not going to get 13% if you stake for 180 days. You actually, remember, it's 6 months. So it's the yield per year. So 13% per year. So if you do it, you get 6.5% in your return. So here I see they've said, there we go. Sorry, I got the wrong one. 13% return is it, of course. So 6.5%, you'll see it right there at 180 days, or 5% for this option, 2.5% for the 30-day option. Okay, so pretty much that's how it works. As I said, there was some news a little bit earlier that they said there was over 1 billion already staked. So 1.43 billion is what they've got so far. So you can go see your staking history and all your information. Now, What's coming soon here, I think the 9th of May, I think this is part of it, is a quick transaction. So from STC to STC, you can then switch it now to Ethereum, Bitcoin, or Litecoin. Okay, so that's also some cool additions that that they're adding. And then later on here is your withdraw and deposit. So that's coming soon. So you can't do that just yet, but you can stake. And that's as simple as that. There's not really much else to it, guys. The staking pool, there seems to be just one pool. So as I said in one of my previous staking videos, or my previous video about staking, there's based on a lot of factors. There's randomization. It's how long you've been in the pool, what percentage of the pool you have that allows you to be chosen for rewards. So, I staked as much as possible. I don't want to stake everything. As I said, about 75, 77%, somewhere around there. And, it should be a good enough number. I've already earned 25 student coin in less than a day, so that should tell you everything right there. So yeah, go have a look at it. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else. It's a very quick video, but it's a very simple process. Cheers, guys.